Now behind me isn't just any S4. There's something under the hood that makes it special. Now this is a B8.5 S4, which means it has a supercharged V6 under the hood. Producing about 333 horsepower stock, people call these the baby Hellcat. The reason this got the name the baby Hellcat is because of the signature supercharger whine that it has. It's also not rear-wheel drive, and it's a lot lighter than a Hellcat is. My name's Tommy. I've been into cars my whole life. I've built a few Hondas now, but I wanted something a little more fast, a little more comfortable, and a little more fun. Now I wanted something a little nicer than my old Mark IV Jetta TDI that I could still wrench on myself and still make some good power with. And I can tell you right now, this thing has been nothing but fun so far, and it is a big upgrade compared to the TDI. And this one right here is going to be my next build on the channel. Now this car is bone stock, has 72,000 miles, and was owned by an 89-year-old man before me, so it has its fair share of scratches and dents. The wheels are absolutely cooked, but luckily it came with a second set. Unluckily, they are pretty much just as bad as the first set. So new wheels is definitely on the list of upgrades. I also want to get an intake, a bigger heat exchanger, and I want to get stage 1 tuned by Jackal, because apparently they're the best. But before all that, I have to take care of some maintenance items, like the PCV valve, the water pump, the thermostat, and a DSG service. Overall, I'm super excited to get started working on this car. Subscribe if you guys want to follow along for the journey.